Hi, this is Maurya Talapalli. Now I'm going to tell about our app, BookMyDoc. So getting enter into login page. So this is the screen that we can see our login page. We have just created with utmost simpler user interface perception. So the app allows users to log in with their email IDs and password. So this application will not bypass authorization, or all users will be validated before entering the home screen. So the login type is email login, as we can see on the screen. So after getting logging into, we can see welcome screen. We have designed it in a simple way, and it is designed to give a brief introduction to the users about our application. Once user clicks on that next button, they will be navigated to the home screen. So this is the home screen, which we have spent our more time on designing this, and I think there is it has a point-to-point visualization a user is expecting. So basically, the home screen contains navigation drawer, a search bar, categories drawer, banner to display any important information or any top recommended top doctors. A user can book appointment based on their disease category and make an appointment accordingly. So after getting entered into particular category, as we click on the category section, we can see the list of the doctor screen. So in this uh, in this screen, we have designed this in a way that user have option to see available doctors in that particular category and make an appointment. So so this is a screen of an eye doctors. uh, from rest of the part, my friend will be continued.
Hello, Professor. Good evening, class. So, yeah, thank you, Moria, for explaining the screens. So, my name is Saitej Gonda, and as you know, our app name is Book My Doc. So, a user can make an appointment with the doctor using our app online. So, here we are in the screen of listing doctor screen too. So, we can see we are listing we're listing doctors related to brain disease. So in this way, we are listing out the doctors based on their specialty and the category, and displaying it to the users. And you can also see there are doctor details such as name of the doctor, specialty, specialization, timings, ratings, and profile picture, etc. So I think we have achieved a decent UI experience for the users with this screen. So as we move on to next screen, so we can see the dental screen doctors listed in the screen, similar to the related doctors. So like this way, we have segregated the doctors according to their categories and specialization, and we have uh, listing out to the users. So like this way, and you can see the data is so the data is dummy as of now. But once we release the later, like, stable version of our app, will give the will provide the original data, and will release the app. So as we move on to the next screen, we can see the doctor profile screen here. So once a user selects a doctor, the screen will appear, and they are accessible to the timings and make an appointment according to their timing. So also they can rate doctors and see their bio details, and also see their location, etc. So once as user has its own credentials or own panel, we will be implementing doctor panel also. So where doctors can log in and update or create their details in their login. So all the details using like including photo, name, address, and type will be shown in this app, or dynamically will be loaded from Firebase, and they tend to change based on the authenticity. So as we move on to the next screen, appointment screen. So in the screen will get displayed when a user books an appointment and with the doctor, and once it gets successful, the screen will be appearing. So once it is done, if a user wants to go back to the home screen, he can click on the back to home button we have provided below. So till now we have implemented till here, professor. So as we are worked on all the design part as of now and connected the screens in one flow. However, the data shown is static. We are still working on the Firebase DB part for authentication, professor. So like we are still working on the Firebase authentication, location geocoding, and dynamic data retrieval from Firebase, and we'll update you the database connections by the next sprint. So this is our demo. Thank you, professor, and thank you, class.